Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to take one trade with our strategy. I'm going to explain you in detail about the setup so that you can apply the same while trading. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This is Euro US dollar chart and we are analyzing 1 minute candlestick time frame. As you can see, we are going to take a 5-minute trade, so I'm increasing the time of expiry. And right now, as you can see, we cannot say that market is trending or this is a ranging market. Market's moving from the resistance and from the support, so it is rejecting back from the support level, and the same thing is happening when the market is hitting the resistance level. So right now it is moving very sharply and it is heading towards the extreme level of support which is present here. So what we will do, we'll just draw some key level which we are going to use. And okay, so this is a support zone, a strong support level. We can include this level. So this is quite a good level of support. We will wait for the market to hit this level and then we are going to take the trade. As you can see, market is getting weaker and weaker. The size of the candlestick are getting weaker and smaller, so which is a good thing. What we need is a a reversal candlestick pattern formation, and then we are good to go. Right now market is very near to the support level and market can reverse anytime, so we'll just wait for a clear confirmation. And you can see market is showing some sign of a reversal, which is a good thing. The second thing is the price action. Here you can see that market is moving very sharply in the downward direction, so we can expect that market will retrace for some time and then we are going to use the same. So what I am expecting here is a retracement for some time and we are going to pick the trade for the same reason. We are going to take a reversal trade from the extreme level of support. These levels are so strong they can reverse a fast moving market as well. And we can see that the size of the candlesticks are getting smaller, they are getting weaker, the momentum is dying kind of, and we can expect a reversal from this point. So we are going to do the same. We'll just wait for the market to give us a clear confirmation. Here market is near to the support level. You can see market got rejected back, which is a good thing. What we need here is a confirmation by the buyers now, because if we go by price action, the price action is clearly indicating that market needs some retracement. If we go by the trend, we can say that this is a ranging market and market can reverse from the support level, because that is what happens when market moves in a range. It moves from support and it got rejected back from support or the resistance, we can say. So we can expect a reversal from the support. So these are the two things. The third thing is that market is getting weaker here and we can expect a reversal. And last thing, which will be our confirmation, is a candlestick confirmation in the form of a strong bullish pattern. I'm just waiting for that only, because all these factors, all the previous three factors are suggesting one thing only, that market should be reversing. So let's wait, and you can see that market is getting constant rejection, which is a good thing. And as you can see that it is kind of getting weaker, so let's just wait for the opportunity, and as soon as I get the opportunity I will explain you the setup in detail. So let's wait. So we get the confirmation by the buyers. As you can see, this is a clear confirmation. We can see that 3 rejections coming from the same support level. Market was weak, the price action supports the retracement and as well as the trend, which in this case is nil, because this is a ranging market. Now let's wait for the result, and as soon as we get the result I will explain you the trading setup in detail. So let's wait. So it's a winning trade. Now let me explain you the whole setup. So first of all, as you can see that I always try to follow the trend, and here in this case if you look carefully, you will see that overall the market was in a ranging situation. So it's a ranging market, and I have explained this so many times that when you are trading in a ranging market, you only trade with support and the resistance level which are on the border side. Like suppose if you want to trade on this chart, you will take trade on the support level, or you can trade from this resistance zone only. Like let me create the resistance zone so that you can understand. So if you see a ranging market like this, you will always trade here on the resistance, or here on the support. You will not trade in between, because on the in a ranging market there is a not defined trend. Like it can reverse anytime, but we the only thing that we can be sure about is the market will move from these ranges at the very end, and the chances are really high. And that's why for me the trend in this case, if we go on the minor trend, it was the downtrend. But if we focus on the overall trend, it's a ranging market. So I followed an overall trend here, because this is what makes this level a strong level. So this was the first thing, that the market was ranging, so I was trying to take trade in on the edges, on the support edge or the resistance edge. In this case I took the support level. The second thing is the price action. Here if you look carefully, the price action is very sharp, and it was moving very strongly in the downward direction. We cannot see any proper retracement here, and as this is a ranging market, we can expect a reversal. With this price action, we can also expect a reversal. Even if you see a move like this in a trendy market, you can expect a retracement, because that is what required for a proper price action in a sustainable market. So I was expecting a retracement or a reversal from this level, because of the presence of ranging market. A strong support level can reverse it, and the sharp price action, which also suggests that market should be resting for some time, or we can say retesting for some time. So the both of these things suggested me one thing only, that market should be retracing back in the upward direction. The third thing which I focused was the momentum. Here you can see that market was falling sharply, but as soon as it was approaching towards the support level, as this is a strong support level, market was getting weaker. You can see the size of wick. The rejections were coming from the buyers, and here you will see that momentum was completely dead, and market was not able to move in the downward direction. It got rejected thrice. You can see 1, 2, and the third time it got rejected back from the very level. And the fourth thing was the confirmation. So the momentum was weak, which suggested me again one thing only, that market can reverse now if buyers are interested. So what I did, I waited for the buyers. This was the situation where I got the buyer confirmation and I placed a trade. For those who don't want to take the risk, they can take the trade here also. But as this is a ranging market and I don't want to go against the minor trend, which was downtrend here, I decided to take my trade as near as possible to the support level, and that's why I took the trade here. Although this was a good confirmation, but for me this is not the best confirmation. If this candle was formed here, then we can say that this is the best confirmation, or a very high probability confirmation. But for me this was quite a good confirmation, and that's why I took the trade, because I wanted to place my trade as near to this support level, because then I have the chance that even if market reverse, I can expect again a rejection from the support level. So that is the whole thing. I took 4 things into consideration, like I did yesterday. I followed the trend analysis, I followed the price action analysis, then I followed the momentum of the market, and at the end I waited for a clear confirmation. So I took the trade. So all these factors are important, and in most of my trading session I look for these factors only. And if you are a beginner or if you are an intermediate trader, you should always focus on these basic principles, because no matter what indicator you are using, they will always lag, and that's why I stick with the price action only. So that is it about today's session. I hope that you have learned something new. from this video. And thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. We'll try to answer you as soon as possible. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.